Hello everyone, I am Della Jason. I am studying MSW first year in Christian College. Today we are going to discuss the topic on what is leadership and the ability to identify a good leader. When we look into our life, we have heard of and got inspired of many leaders. Leadership is the key quality that help us in various aspects of our life. What is leadership? Leadership means the person who can lead others. We can define leadership as an ability of an individual or a group to influence the followers or members of community or a society or a team. When it comes to community organization, the leadership enhances the accomplishment of the objectives and goals, and it makes more cohesive and coherent. The leadership has many styles. Some of the leadership styles are institutional leadership, situational leadership, autocratic or authoritarian leadership, creative leadership, group selected leadership, democratic leadership, and creative leadership. Second one is situational leadership. It means adapting your leadership style to each unique situation or task to meet the team or team members. For example, disaster management or natural calamities. Third one is autocratic or authoritarian leadership. It is a leader's style characterized by centralized decision making authority, where a leader maintains full power and control, and they do not hear the opinion and suggestion of other team members. For example, Hitler. Fourth one is creative leadership. It is an ideal type leadership. Such type of leadership has a genuine reason and understanding of the potentiality of people. Such leaders have desire to develop their own able. For example, we can look Steve Jobs. Fifth one is self-constituted leadership. It is the leader who appointed by oneself to something, such as function or a position. For example, we can take a boss in the company. And sixth one is group selected leader. The leader is selected by the group. He has the capability to find solution for the problem and have all the ability. For example, we can take class representative or the president of India through election. Seventh one is democratic leadership. It is also known as participative leadership. It is just opposite of autocratic leadership style. It gives maximum liberty to the people of their opinion and suggestion. For example, we can take the government system. Qualities of leaders. First one is communication skill. The leader can effectively convey their ideas and inspire others. For example, the leader communicates their vision to the community and explain the benefit for the community. Second one is integrity. Integrity means the leaders are honest, ethical, and consistent in their action. Third one is accountability. They take responsibility for their actions and decisions. They keep track of the resources such as fund and volunteer hours and are open about the hour they are used. Fourth one is empathy. They understand and connect with the emotions and needs of others in the team. They try to listen to the common and need of the community. Fifth one is decisiveness. They make timely and informed decision about what they are going to plan. Sixth one is empowerment. They enable and support the growth of the team. For example, the leader empower the community members by involving them in decision making and delegating tasks and offering opportunities for skill development of their project. Let's conclude the topic. The leadership is not just a specific role or domain, but it can be formed various settings like from community organization to business enterprises, and the leadership is about inspiring and guiding an individual or a group in sharing the objective while fostering their growth and a positive change.